At IDET 2025 in Brno, Czech defense firm SVOS presented the Mars 4x4 vehicle integrated with Saab's RBS-70NG missile system, marking a major milestone in European mobile air defense. This Czech-Swedish collaboration fuses state-of-the-art vehicle engineering with cutting-edge missile tech to deliver one of the continent's most capable mobile short-range air defense MSHORAD, systems. Its unveiling signals a significant step in Czechia's modernization of its air defense capabilities, addressing the rising threat from drones and precision munitions with a highly mobile, rapidly deployable solution. SVOS's Mars 4x4 platform, when paired with Saab's RBS-70NG, demonstrates a powerful synthesis of high-mobility armored design and advanced aerial threat interception. Designed for both urban and rugged terrain, the Mars vehicle features modular armor, exceptional off-road handling, and an optional rear-axle steering system enabling a 6-meter turning radius. On this nimble platform sits the RBS-70NG, a laser-guided missile system originally developed for man-portable use, now optimized for vehicle integration. The complete MSHORAD package includes a mobile firing unit, Saab's Giraffe 1X radar system, and a mobile radar unit, all orchestrated through a seamlessly integrated command and control suite. The missile system can strike targets up to 9 kilometers away and at altitudes of 5,000 meters, traveling at Mach 2. Its resistance to jamming makes it especially potent in environments with electronic warfare threats. With 360-degree radar coverage and passive targeting capabilities, the system ensures both survivability and operational stealth, an increasingly rare combination in modern air defense architecture. Development of this integrated system began in 2019 after SVOS and Saab formalized a partnership. Following rigorous trials in Sweden, including live missile tests, the first prototype was unveiled at Eurosatory 2022. The Mars 4x4 system was then showcased at IDET 2023, where it received the Golden IDET Award, underscoring its technical and strategic significance. SVOS, known for its expertise in armored vehicle production, has built the Mars 4x4 with NATO standard components already proven in field conditions. Compared with contemporaries like Germany's Wiesel-based Ocelot with Stinger missiles or the American MSHORAD on a Stryker chassis, the Mars 4x4 stands out for its compact form, superior agility, and simplified maintenance profile. Its laser-guided missiles bypass the vulnerabilities of radar-dependent systems, offering secure engagement in ECM-heavy zones, while the Giraffe radar extends detection capabilities to a radius of 75 kilometers. The system meets a pressing need for decentralized, responsive air defense in the current geopolitical climate. With conflict zones increasingly dominated by drones and cruise missiles, the Mars 4x4 enables frontline units to operate with enhanced survivability. Its lightweight, mobile design means it can be deployed swiftly and integrated into multinational NATO formations with minimal logistical overhead. Although large-scale international orders have not yet been announced, Czech defense officials view the Mars 4x4 with RBS-70NG as a cornerstone of their air defense future. Initial development was financed through a joint Czech-Swedish initiative, and the platform has drawn attention from NATO allies seeking an effective, budget-conscious MSHORAD solution. The Czech armed forces are expected to formalize acquisitions as part of their broader defense modernization strategy, potentially utilizing regional security funding channels. The IDET 2025 debut reinforces SVOS's reputation as a premier provider of mission-ready armored systems. By combining Saab's advanced targeting and radar technologies with a battle-hardened Czech vehicle, the Mars 4x4 MSHORAD addresses emerging threats with precision, flexibility, and NATO interoperability. As aerial warfare evolves, this system exemplifies the next generation of mobile ground-based air defense.